Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to do Baroque style 3D rose, which I think is super quick, especially for salon work, and it's also level 1, but we are actually doing series of nail art level 1, especially for beginners, to kind of practice the movement of the hand. But I promise you the result of this type of technique, it's really super cool. So if you want to learn more, keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay guys, so I will start with my color. You can use whatever color you want, it really doesn't matter. Only thing that you have to keep in mind is that your product should be a little bit thicker. So you can even use clear builder gel, you can use pink builder gel, whatever. So the color per se now, it's not important at all. I just want to create a rose. So first I'm gonna do a dot and then I'm gonna pull from that dot. Okay, just like that. Then I'm gonna do a belly here and then thinner towards the edges. Okay, I want to make a bigger belly, so I just add a little bit more. Now here I'm gonna create another line. If you have 3D gel, this would be also super beautiful with that type of technique. And towards the edges, it has to be thinner. Okay, so this one is a little bit wiggly. And I will do a wiggle here and then just stretch it down. Okay, now I will do a smaller one here. Big belly, but thin at the ends. Okay, and I prefer to do them a little bit more uneven, just because I think it gives extra effect of realness. Usually we call this the salon rose, but today we're gonna create like a Baroque antique type of effect, which I think is super cool and super fast, super easy. And again, we are practicing the moves of the brush. Okay, now I'm gonna do that on the top. So I'm creating a big rose because I have a big tip. If you have smaller tip, of course, then do a little bit smaller. And each petal goes at the closing parts. So just like so. Okay. I can do one more small here. Sorry guys if you hear some noise, that's just my doggy that you've seen in one of my videos. Okay, so this is my rose. I'm gonna do a few leaves here as well. Pull a line from the leaf. And I can do one more here. Okay, and that one will pull a line there. do one more here. So you can play, you don't have to copy completely how I do it. And again, we will add some dots, so I'll just take a little bit more product. I will add a dot here and here and one here and here. Okay, now I will pop this in a lamp for the full curing time. Just want to show you, so we kind of get the 3D effect. So that's why I said if you do have 3D gel, this would be perfect to do this technique with 3D gel. If you don't have it, then just use a little bit thicker product. Don't use the gel polish. I mean, you can, but then you have to add layers and layers and layers, so you can get a little bit higher a surface on the tip. If you don't have something thicker in color, then just use a clear builder gel, and you can do this super quickly with as well. Okay, I will just clean my glove here, because I always love to put some color here. So, and later, if I don't clean this, I get this color in my hair, on my face, everywhere, so I'm very clumsy. All right, now after that has been fully cured in a lamp, I will use next product. So this is called Chrome Effect. This one is from Crystal Nails. This is how it looks like. And I have it in a shade, I think this one is called Coffee. We'll see now. I think this one is called Coffee. There is also gold, you have rose gold, you have so many different, I think, shades. I think this one, yeah, it's Coffee. Okay, I will just mix it before I use it. Okay, and now I will start to apply this lightly, so I will not take a lot of the product on the rose, on the whole thing actually. Okay, but I don't want to have a lot of the product on my brush, so just a little bit. Just cover the whole nail. The reason why you don't want to put it too thick is because then you're gonna lose your design that you did under. Okay, and now I'm gonna put this in a lamp for a minute or maybe more. Let's see. And this is where actually this will change from matte looking to shiny chrome effect. I really love those products, especially for nail art, this type of nail art. I think it's super cool. You can also use it if you are doing, let's say, 3D rose with plastiline gel. It looks super cool. You know, more 3D it is, when you apply this, it looks super cool. It actually does look like antique or Baroque, or I used this technique on the nails that I did for the competition, which I was placed fourth. So it was super fun and cool to do. So okay, and then on top of this, again, you can use shiny, you can use matte, whatever you like. Okay, so this is starting to dry more and more. You see how beautiful it looks. Super pretty. I will pop it in for 1 more minute. I really do enjoy teaching you guys quick salon designs that I think everybody can do. Either you're a beginner or you have experience when it comes to nails, because you know, in salon work, when you work with your clients, time equals money. So and also if you're working back to back, that means that you have client after client after client. So it's super cool that you can do something fast that your client is going to be happy with, and then you can, you know, also make some extra money off of it. So I love quick salon nail arts, but I do like complicated nail arts as well. Those are actually the ones that I enjoy the most. More harder it is, more I am attracted to it. So okay, so we are starting to get even more metallic look, as you can see. What's wrong, Sky? What do you want, babe? Stai below. As you can see, we are starting to get more metallic effect, and you see it's super beautiful. It's so pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna apply a shiny top coat on this, and use a top coat that's not sticky. So I'm gonna use today Cool Top from Crystal Nails, and apply it also super thinly. You don't want to cover those parts here. So super thin, because if you cover too much of the, you see what I'm doing, I'm kind of rubbing it in rather than just applying huge amount. So it has to be 3D, so that's why it's super important that you do this step very thinly. Voila, pop it in a lamp, 1 minute. Put everything back into place. And guys, if you do recreate some of the designs that I'm showing you, please do tag me, please do mention me in a comment, or you know, you can send it to me even, because I did see a few of the girls that took the course with me trying some techniques that I did, which was really cool for me to see. But you can send it to me as well. I would love for you to actually send it to me, or just tag me, so you know, I can see it without searching, or you know. Okay, so this is the finished result. As you see, it's super beautiful. I think this could be super elegant as well for weddings, or some nice effect. I'll show it to the camera here as well. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, if you do recreate this, please mention me, please tag me. I hope you have a lovely day, and to make mine better, please subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!